We visit strange things in the universe and explain them clearly. You don't need to know anything before going out. This is what we're here for.
Nothing gets dumbed down, and nothing important gets left out. Rings that should not be there, and clocks that should be wrong.
Oceans with no sky above them, and worlds with no sun at all.
Every atom in your hand, and the star that had to die to make it.
A night sky that is dark for a reason almost nobody expects. All of it real, all of it checked, and none of it made smaller than it is. People would love to understand the universe better, but answers can be complicated.
9 years old or 90, wanting to know is exactly the same.
And there is one more thing we do here that almost nobody else does. Everything we look at gets sorted into exactly 3 piles.
Ink is for what has been measured and checked and measured again. Pencil is the best answer so far, but it may change later on. A blank page is for the part that nobody has worked out yet.
And we never quietly leave that last pile out.
Being told that we don't know yet is the truth. So ask the hardest question and watch where it lands in those piles.
Try a big one, like how long the Earth stays a place we can live.
Our star is getting brighter every year, and that part is ink.
The ink pile is the part you could go outside and point at. When it gets too warm for us is pencil, and the answer is a wide range.
Not a date, but a stretch of time you can lay your whole hand across.
And how the whole universe ends is still a completely blank page.
Which is quietly the most interesting of the 3.
This is what we've been out and looked at so far.
The first starlight and the long dark that came before it.
A galaxy that ought to fly apart and quietly does not.
The farthest thing we ever made, still answering when we call.
One small dot holding every person who has ever lived.
A shortcut through space that the rules do not actually forbid.
And the oldest light there is, still arriving tonight.
We go out again twice a week, and it never stops getting stranger.
And not one of them said out loud before it was checked.
Because somebody should say which parts are still blank. Otherwise, nobody ends up trusting anything they were told. So we go out and we show our working every single time.
For anybody who would rather have the truth with the gaps left in.
So that is the ship, and that is exactly what we do with it. Ink, then pencil, then a blank page, in that order, every time.
2 new ones a week, and the blank pages are the best bit. Come with us, and we will always tell you when we do not know. See you out there, explorers, and bring your best questions.